Local market insights are crucial when making investment or relocation decisions, while national data provides a broad perspective. Examining specific local postcodes is essential. This Lettings Market Review, brought to you by Let's Rent Cambridge, shares valuable data and local intelligence. As Propertymark accredited agents, they are both qualified and regulated, ensuring you receive reliable and professional advice. Visit their website, letsrentcambridge.co.uk, or give them a call on 01223 86 3000.
Welcome to your spring update on the Cambridge rental scene. And here's the headline. It's still one of the UK's most high value and in-demand places to rent. So what keeps Cambridge so hot on the lettings map? Well, it really comes down to its wide appeal. As we've mentioned before, the city draws in a diverse crowd. Students, academics, professionals, and even members of the US military stationed nearby. That mix keeps demand strong and the market moving, which definitely shows in the latest figures. Over the past year, the average rent achieved in Cambridge has risen to £1,451 per calendar month. That is a 6.8% jump, showing just how solid demand remains. If you check out current listings, asking rents are sitting at just over £1,548 a month, pretty much unchanged from this time last year. So, while the pace has levelled out a bit, rents are still holding strong at the higher end. When you dig into the types of homes being rented, it is clear that smaller properties are leading the way. Flats and apartments are especially in demand, making up over half of all lets in Cambridge. On average, renters are paying around £1,398 a month for a flat here. That's quite a bit higher than the East of England average, which sits at just over £1,080. If you're looking at houses, the trend continues. Terraced homes are averaging about £1,460 a month. Semi-detached properties come in at slightly higher, £1,495 a month, and detached homes, which are in shorter supply, are fetching nearly £1,940 a month. So, whether it's a flat or a family home, prices across the board are well above the regional average. Here's the thing. While the Cambridge rental market remains strong, it's definitely become more price sensitive. Tenants are being more selective and expect real value for money. That means that landlords need to make sure their properties are not only competitively priced, but also well presented and in good condition. Getting that balance right can really speed up the letting process and help attract reliable long-term tenants. The team at Let's Rent Cambridge is here to help with exactly that. Whether you already own a rental property or you're thinking about investing, we can advise on what types of homes are in demand and where the best opportunities lie. One trend that we've seen picking up recently is growing interest from US military personnel, especially those based at Milden Hall and Laken Heath. They're showing a clear preference for modern, well-located flats. Definitely something to keep in mind if you're considering your next rental investment. Looking ahead, the pace of the rental market in Cambridge is starting to cool slightly. After several years of rapid growth, things are settling down, and we expect that steadier trend to continue throughout 2025. There are a few reasons behind that shift. One major factor is the introduction of the Renters' Rights Bill, which is creating a bit of uncertainty for some landlords. It's adding new layers of complexity to the buy-to-let sector. But the good news is that experienced letting agents like the team here at Let's Rent Cambridge are on hand to help landlords navigate these changes and manage their properties with confidence. We're also seeing more landlords, particularly those nearing retirement, choosing to leave the sector altogether. And on the tenant side, behaviour is changing too. With recent rent rises, many renters are opting to stay put rather than risk moving to somewhere even more expensive. That means less turnover and a more stable, though slightly slower market. As for what's next, we're forecasting modest rental growth in the region of 3% to 4% in 2025. It's not the double-digit surge that we've seen in recent years, but it's still positive growth and a sign that Cambridge remains a solid long-term option for rental investment. For landlords wondering if it's still worth it, Cambridge's track record speaks for itself. The city has seen solid yields and impressive capital appreciation over the years, with agents able to take care of new regulations. There's still plenty of upside. And zooming out to the bigger picture, Cambridge is a city with some seriously exciting plans in motion. Major infrastructure projects are well underway, including the revival of the Oxford-Cambridge Growth Corridor, which aims to double the economic output of the east of England. That comes with game-changing improvements like the new east-west rail link and the substantial upgrades to the A428, making the region even more connected and accessible. On top of that, Cambridge University is pressing ahead with its ambitious innovation hub in the west of the city, while Camborne, just 9 miles away, continues to expand rapidly, now home to over 10,000 people and still growing. All of this signals one clear thing: long-term confidence. Cambridge isn't just a thriving rental market today, it's a city with a real momentum and future potential. From all of us here at Let's Rent Cambridge, if you've got any questions about renting or investing in the area, we would love to help. Get in touch and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Get in touch with Let's Rent Cambridge on 01223 86 3000 or visit their website letsrentcambridge.co.uk.